channel. Today on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to prepare crispy chicken. Come with me and I'll show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Right here are the seasoning I'll be using for my chicken. Check my description box and you will find the ingredients there. Also, I have got flour ready. I'll be using this flour because it helps to hold your chicken nicely when you're frying your chicken. Right here, I've got my vegetable oil. I've also got salt to taste. I've got eggs and also my washed, clean chicken. And I've also got my mini deep fryer ready. Come with me, guys. It's time to get cooking. First, I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken. In goes my seasoning and then rub it in properly. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and also rub it in properly. Now it's been properly rubbed in. I'm now going to use my cling film to cover the chicken and leave it to marinate for 1 hour. It has marinated for 1 hour now. Now it's time for me to mix my flour with a little bit of seasoning. It's optional, but if you love your chicken to be well seasoned, you can add tiny bit of seasoning into your flour and mix properly. As you can see, I've added my seasoning, mix. Afterwards, I'm now going to break my egg and whisk. As you can see, egg is ready. I'm whisking my egg right now. Whisk properly and then start to rub your chicken into the egg, as you can see, and then into the flour. Ensure it's properly rubbed in, set aside. Continue the same process until all your chicken has been rubbed into the egg and flour. Oil has been heated up. Now it's time to start frying. In goes my chicken. As you can see, time to dip it in. Look at that. It's hot and it's frying nicely. Now it has fried for a couple of minutes and our chicken is ready. Let's bring it out and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. It is yummy, crunchy on the outside and succulent on the inside. Trust me, if you want to enjoy your homemade fried chicken, you can do it. This one right here is crispy and yummy. Continue the same process until you finish frying all your chicken. Now we have finished frying our chicken and it's time to serve. Look at that. Our chicken has been served. It was served with chips. If you want to find out how I made my chips, go to the description below. I have made chips in one of my videos before and the link is there. You will be okay. Just go through the link and you will know how to make this kind of oven baked chips. Yummy. As you can see, it was served with ketchup and chili burger sauce. This on my table is a happy meal. You can do this and trust me, you enjoy it. Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you have not subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe and also turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Do not forget to like and share. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in my next video and enjoy a beautiful week. Bye bye. Ciao.